we cannot achieve the targets without cloud media, I think so, because from 250 to go to 1.2 million is a big numbers, and I think that is all because we had cloud media with us. My name is Jasper Singh actually, and we're from Ultimate Clean Limited. I'm the managing director for Ultimate Clean from last 9 years. We are specialized in commercial cleanings and carpet shampoos, floor buffings, house and building washes, and then upholstery clean, polishing the floors. Before the cloud media, it was really hard for us to find the customers in the market. That was a big target for me, to be honest. I mean, because when you're doing your business, you got a lot to do and you don't have idea from where you're gonna start or how you can fix that all. Cloud media helped me with that all, and they done that all for us. And since they doing that, I don't need to worry about any more for this stuff, how we're gonna get that customers or not. They're doing their own, and we're pretty happy with that. Thanks. Actually, it was one of my friend. He knew the owner of Cloud Media, and then he introduced me Raj, and then Raj came to my office and he said, "Look, we are doing this." And before that, be honest, I do not have any idea for Google or anything. After Raj started looking after the business for us, and then we find out like it's going really well. When I started around 11 years ago, we started with $250 business a month, and then slowly when we joined with Cloud Media, since they started to look after us on the Google and everywhere, on the Facebook as well. So it's going really well, and I think we are doing more than more than $1.2 million every year now. We cannot achieve the targets without cloud media, I think so, because from 250 to go to 1.2 million is a big numbers, and I think that is all because we had cloud media with us to look after all the Google and online things. Without SEO, the business is no point in these days when we have a lot of competition in the market, and there's a lot of other companies, they're doing the same stuff. Not only in the cleaning business, I think everywhere there's a lot of competition in the market. And if you do not have a #1 ranking or SEO is on top on the Google, I don't think so you can achieve that many customers how much you can do with SEO or Google ranking. I think it's a really big part of your business now in these days, especially I would like to suggest Cloud Media. Everything they did for us is always come with the results. We always have a good results after they done anything for us, any updates or any Googles or any website making. They are pretty good with that, and I would like to say all other customers as well, please join Cloud Media for your business.